Hi everyone, this is Singh from RS Sewing Machine. Today we are introducing you 2645. This is a short thread trimming machine normally used for car seat. The panel here is all touch screen. Start back tag, end back tag, or any control is here. We are using 32 mm bobbin. The basic control like back tagging, needle, cancel the back tagging, high lift, and second thread tension. So this machine comes with a thread nipper. Using the thread nipper, the front thread is neat and the back thread is only 5 mm because it is using cutting system by Juki for short thread trimming. Thank you.